Your dream deserves one more try. When was the last time you dreamed without limits? Yung pangarap na sobrang laki, na kahit ikaw, kinabahan nung naisip mo. But then, life happened. Responsibilities, rejections, reality, and slowly, you stop dreaming that big. Pero tanungin mo ang sarili mo ngayon, are you really happy or just comfortable? Because comfort can be a silent cage. You may feel safe, but you're no longer growing. Alam mo, minsan hindi naman impossible ang pangarap mo. Nakakatakot lang siya kasi wala ka pang version ng sarili mo na kaya mong abutin yun. But that version is built by every risk you take. Every time you try again, and every day you refuse to settle. So, dream again. Dream louder. Dream wilder. You don't need permission, just the courage to believe again. Because the truth is, your story is not done yet. It is just waiting for the braver version of you to turn the next page.